The 2026 BMW M4 represents the latest evolution of BMW's iconic performance coupe, combining advanced engineering, cutting-edge technology, and refined luxury into a package that continues to embody the spirit of the M division. Over the years, the M4 has become a benchmark in the world of high-performance sports cars, balancing everyday usability with track-ready performance. For 2026, BMW has refined this formula even further, ensuring the M4 remains competitive in a market filled with powerful rivals while staying true to its heritage of precision driving dynamics. From a design standpoint, the 2026 M4 continues to build on BMW's bold styling language, featuring an aggressive front fascia with the signature kidney grilles, aerodynamic enhancements, and muscular proportions that emphasize its performance-oriented character. The coupe's long hood, flared fenders, and sculpted lines give an unmistakable presence on the road. Optional carbon fiber elements, such as the roof and aerodynamic components, reduce weight while adding to the car's sporty appeal. The rear end is equally aggressive, highlighted by quad exhaust outlets, a subtle lip spoiler, and sleek LED lighting that underscores its modern performance identity. Performance has always been at the heart of the M4, and the 2026 model pushes the limits even further. Under the hood, it features an upgraded version of BMW's 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering more power and efficiency than before. Depending on the trim, the engine produces well over 500 horsepower, allowing the M4 to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive for a purist driving experience or BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system for maximum traction and control. Transmission options include a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual, catering to both enthusiasts who crave engagement and those who prioritize convenience. The M division has fine-tuned the suspension, steering, and braking systems to ensure the car delivers razor-sharp handling while maintaining comfort for daily driving. Inside, the 2026 M4 strikes a balance between luxury and sportiness. The cabin is designed around the driver, featuring premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The latest BMW iDrive infotainment system with a curved digital display dominates the dashboard, offering seamless integration of navigation, entertainment, and performance data. Advanced connectivity features, wireless smartphone integration, and customizable driving modes enhance the experience for both drivers and passengers. Sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable on long journeys, and ambient lighting adds to the premium atmosphere. Technology plays a significant role in the 2026 M4, not only in terms of infotainment, but also in safety and driver assistance. Equipped with BMW's latest suite of intelligent driver aids, the M4 offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking functions, ensuring peace of mind without detracting from the pure driving thrill. Additionally, BMW has introduced updated software features that allow owners to customize performance settings through their smartphones, further blending the digital world with the driving experience. Sustainability is also a growing part of BMW's performance lineup, and the M4 reflects this shift with improved efficiency and reduced emissions compared to its predecessors. Lightweight materials, aerodynamic enhancements, and optimized powertrain technology help the M4 achieve better fuel economy, while still delivering uncompromising performance. Overall, the 2026 BMW M4 continues to embody the essence of what makes the M division so special: a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and everyday usability. It is designed for enthusiasts who demand excitement on the track, yet require practicality for daily use. With its bold styling, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the new M4 ensures that BMW remains a dominant force in the high-performance coupe segment and secures its place as one of the most desirable sports cars of its time.